What's up guys, Jackson here at Toasty DIY, and today we're going to be installing a Trifold bed cover for the 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma. This is from Oedro, however you pronounce that, and they have a lot of reviews on Amazon, and they have many different sizes and shapes for different trucks and different vehicles. So we get the Trifold right down here. We're going to go ahead and unbox it and then get to installing it. All right, we're going to go ahead and unbox it. Emily has informed me that it might be Oedro. So anyways, pronunciation doesn't matter. What really matters is that if it's a quality bed cover or not. And I will say the package weighs quite a bit. I'm going to go ahead and actually flip it over. Retails on Amazon for about $630, but it usually always has coupons. Like right now it's on sale for like, I think $530. Okay, so it looks like we got some weather stripping. Our assembly instructions are right up top here. And usually these covers come mostly put together to where you really just have to do pretty minimal maintenance as far as getting it on the actual bed. Most of the time they don't require any drilling. We'll see with this one. Looks like we have a left and right holder for the sides of the bed that'll actually hold your bed cover and support it. Now let's see what we have inside the little box here, and then we'll go ahead and start looking at the instructions. Okay, so it looks pretty similar to other bed covers I put together. We have a bunch of pieces of aluminum, and those are going to be what kind of hold the bed cover, the rails onto it. All right, so it says step one is to clean the bulkhead and bed rail before installation. We already have a check mark on that. This is actually a 2023 model, by the way. Oh yeah, actually, if you look at the image, it's right on the edge. So the instructions actually got some pretty good pictures, I will say, so far. I guess we are only in the first step, so. And now this is usually like a cut to length. So what we'll do is we'll just kind of over guess both sides of it. Yeah, so it should go something like that right against the butt of the bed there. We're just gonna leave that kind of sitting there. If it falls, it's okay. Piece of foam on the inside to keep leaks out. And then we have, actually, this is all rubber right here. So I think this will actually do a pretty good job making sure that we don't have any leaks. Once again, I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of set this down here for now. All right, let's go ahead and do the same thing. I'm gonna see if I can actually get this side to work like it's supposed to. Take one of these, face it towards us. Yeah, okay. You know, I might have just been doing the other side freaking backwards, honestly. I wouldn't really put it past myself. Put this in the same spot. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of lock this one into place like I did the other sides, because they're not really gonna be very movable. I guess that is the one downside, is you are kind of locked in place once you get these on. All right, but I need to get this in here. I guess, could I just do, you know what, I could just do this. Maybe I was really not thinking with my brain that first time. I want to make sure this all matches. So we're going to go to this side. And then this, we're going to move down to here so that that can stay on. And this side, we actually took this one out and we went over here. Oh, and the one thing I'm going to go ahead and preemptively do is I do need to get, you know what? I wonder, can I just do this? I bet I can just, slide all the way out. And now I can do like that. And then I can go ahead and slide this back in. Maybe. There we go. Aha. All right. I think now we're kind of cooking. I think that first side I just, wasn't really, I was working a lot smarter than I was harder. Or a lot harder. I can't even say what I'm trying to think here. Basically, I did it a really dumb way. But this feels a lot better. All right. This side's gonna be really fast. Let's go ahead and do the middle one first. And again, I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of snug it up. I'm gonna get a little closer to the handle like I did the other side. All right. It's feeling pretty sturdy. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and grab everything out of here, because the next step is actually putting our cover on. So I'm just gonna leave it like on the edge like that. Oof, a little bit heavy. Could be a two-person job if you wanted to. Okay, so you can tell that this is the backside because you have these clips here. And these clips are basically how you can hold the cover closed for like highway, well, just in general, like if you're driving and you have your bed open, those clips right there are how you can actually hold it closed. Holes right here. So you're gonna go ahead and drop these through. These actually do have like little washers on them. There we go. But you see, this is what we're going for. It should be out like this, like the whole way. And that'll keep all the water that drips off the top of the cab, especially when you're driving, from coming out. I'm kind of looking straight down here, making sure we look good. Yeah, looking pretty even actually, pretty much perfect. Fold this back up so I don't have to crawl like all the way in here. So real carefully, because I don't want to have to, I don't want the bed cover to be out of position because I have it like perfect right now. And just like that. All right. Let's go ahead and go in here again. Yeah, that positioning looks a lot better. And they say just to do it hand tight. They say not to use any tools, which is all good with me. So now I'm putting the wing nut on. This is just kind of like your, almost like your lock nut basically. All right, same thing over here. Because that's gonna go on like this. Let's say they're pretty flimsy. Yeah, I mean, because you can see here, this hole is definitely too small. I mean, I guess in theory, if you really don't want to drill holes, you could just leave it like that. And I mean, technically the water isn't going to really affect anything in here. Because yeah, I mean, I don't see any other holes. I did notice this spot up here. I'm kind of tempted to try that, but I don't know, the angle won't work. It actually felt like it was all plastic. That's not too bad. Pretty unintrusive. It's interesting. I didn't really realize. I think most of the bed is like a composite of some kind. Do all that out a little more. Means I don't feel any metal. So kind of interesting to note. I didn't know about the Tacomas. There we go. All right. And now let's see. Feeling pretty sturdy. Look at that, it all latches on its own. That's exactly how we want it. We want it to latch under its own pressure. And it feels pretty sturdy. I mean, heck, you could almost walk on this. I'm not saying I recommend it. I wouldn't even do it on my really expensive bed cover, but you almost could. You know, they don't really talk about this, which this could just be for other vehicles, but let's see. I mean, because it definitely looks, and based on what I'm used to, there should be one more gasket for this side. I know for sure, like my truck is prone to leaking in that area. That's where mine leaks the most, but to be fair, mine's also a much different shape. There's a rock. I'm now calling this a success. And bed cover closes and definitely has a pretty tight seal along the bottom side here. And it is pretty cold right now. As it gets warmer, you know, weather stripping and stuff, especially the rubber, will typically settle a little more. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. I mean, it looks sleek. I like that this top section doesn't appear to be like a, at least I don't think, it might be like a thin laminate maybe, like some type of like faux leather almost. But we might not have to worry about peeling, which is nice. But I'm only guessing, only time will tell for that. But it's looking pretty good. Oh, I do need to, I'm gonna go ahead and cut that excess off because that looks a little goofy. So we got little latches that we push in, these guys right here, right there. Oh, and then look, it has like a little handle area. Yeah. Oh, I gotta remember. See, I'm used to my roll-up cover just kind of rolls. This one has latches. And then we can go ahead and adjust these for them. Actually, I think they're, let's see. Actually, yeah, that'll work. Nice little clip latches too. Yeah, that's definitely not going to go anywhere. And as you can see, it's clipped on that side too. And then whenever you want to fold it down, just take those and you go like that. Sick. All right, well, that wasn't too bad of an install. It did take me as a solo person who can't read instructions very well about maybe close to an hour. I think if you watch this video first, I bet you'd be able to install this cover in like 45 minutes or less. And if you have another person, maybe even less, especially if you guys don't argue about the instructions. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. I'm happy with it. I'm sure that Emily's stepdad's really gonna like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this back over to him. And once again, shout out to, I think it's Oedro, or Oedro, or Oedro. But here it is. You can add this coupon as well at the time of filming this video. It's actually like pretty close to prime shipping. Actually, it is prime shipping, so you can get it pretty quick. We're a little delayed because of Christmas right now. But yeah, available to ship within 1 to 2 days. And you know, it's even a like returnable item and everything. So I don't really have any issues with it. It looks pretty good. I never expect the bed cover to be perfect, by the way. Like you can see there's a couple of, I mean, I think in the summer, these will kind of iron out. It's basically just joints where it kind of bends. Every cover I've ever had, even ones that are installed by the factory, they always have some small little lumps and imperfections in them, but this one's pretty darn good for the price. Like I'm pretty impressed with it, and it is a hard cover, which means a lot. I mean, you can pay $200-300 bucks for a cover, but it's gonna be a very soft cover that'll usually only last you a couple of years. This cover, I imagine, will last almost the lifetime of the truck practically. There's really not even anything on it to even rust, which is pretty sick. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna let you all go. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you check out PC Bros to buy some gaming PCs today. Check out our main channel, Toasty Bros. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.